Okay, ladies and gentlemen, family members, welcome back. Of course, this Human Face Humanity First, uplifting all souls across the board. You already know here, everything you get here is information, entertainment, and education. So, every week by now, you know the Tide Tunners, which is under the All Foundation, every week visit the Kinshasa beach at Jamestown to do their weekly cleanup. Okay, every week over 30 tons of plastic and textile waste are cleaned at the Kinshasa beach. Okay, recently we are made to understand that the Bus Stop Boys also visited Jamestown. They went to the same beach. You know, I saw their videos on this YouTube channel. I saw their videos on YouTube and I commented on it. So their presenter said, you know, there is so much dirty heaped up. So I was like, if not because of the Tide Tunners that have been cleaning this place every week, heap, more than Mount Everest, that heap will have, the dirty at Kinshasa beach or at Jamestown beach will have been higher than Mount Everest. Yeah, but because of the indefatigable job, the assiduous and arduous job of the Tide Tunners, they are able to ensure that that place is put under control. You know, all the waste that comes from the Kantamanto market, which happens to be the biggest textile or second-hand clothing market in sub-Saharan Africa, all the dirty there washes to Kinshasa beach in Jamestown. So you see, so because of that, that place is the epic center for textile and plastic waste. You know, so we should thank the Tide Tunners and the All Foundation for putting in all their effort, all their work to clean that place. You know, it's not easy to clean someone's dirty. It takes patriotism, it takes good heart, it takes clean heart to do that. When someone mess up a place and you have to go and clean up that place, it only takes people with good heart, patriotic people, you know, global citizens who have the world at heart will only do that. Ordinary people cannot do that. So of course, this Tuesday again, we've done the first video, this is the second video. This Tuesday again, this past Tuesday again, the Tide Tunners were there to ensure that they clean up the place. So please, you can always join us if you want. If you want to be part of the volunteers to clean up the beach at Kinshasa beach, you are most welcome. Anytime you come, you are most welcome to join us. And also to the government, if you have any help for the Tide Tunners, they are doing incredibly well. You are most welcome to support them with working tools, with contracts and other stuffs, you know, to support them, to help them, to ensure that they continue doing the good work they are doing. To MDAs, ministry departments and agencies, or to other implementing partners, I mean companies, private companies, you know, corporations, you are almost welcome to support the Tide Tunners, because if they don't have support, they can't do the work. The willingness is there, the volunteerism spirit is there, but we all know an empty bag cannot stand. We all know, you know, you can't do something without having tools. They need the apparatus, they need the tools to enable them, to enhance them, do the perfect job they are doing. You know, so we are calling on all and sundry, we are calling on everybody to come on board and support this volunteerism job, to support these incredible people, the Tide Tunners. You know, we are calling on everybody, the government, the private institutions, corporate institutions, everybody. You are almost welcome to give us the support we need to ensure that we continue to do this marvelous job we are doing at the beach. You know, the beach sustains us because that is where the fishes live. Inside the sea, that is where the fishes live, and we, majority of our protein is gotten from the sea. Now when the sea is being dirty, definitely the fishes eat that dirty, and we end up eating the fishes, so we get sick. So we need to clean up the sea, we need to clean up the beaches to ensure that the fishes don't eat Don't eat that dirty. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, family members, please, you are almost welcome to give us the support, the required support, to ensure that we continue doing the work. Thank you so much once more again. This is One Face Humanity First, uplifting all souls across the board. If you have any opinion, please don't hesitate to drop it in the comments below, or better still, you can reach out to the description of my YouTube channel. My email is there, my WhatsApp is there. Drop me a message and let's talk. Thank you so much. From hand to head, I salute you all. I'll see you again in the next video. Meanwhile, continue to watch. There are more clips of the past cleaning. Continue to watch till the end of this video so you see what went on, and comment your opinion below. Okay, thank you so much.